We're going to read our manual hemoglobin, our cyan met hemoglobin method. This is a simple spectrophotometer. We're going to make sure that the lever down here is set 340 to 599 and not 600 to 950, because we want to read this at 540 nanometers. So with this lever down here to the left, we're going to turn the wavelength knob until it's set at 540. The next thing we're going to do after the spec has warmed up for about 10 minutes, make sure this is closed, we're going to set the 0, which means no light coming through. Anytime we're reading off of the scale, we need to make sure that we see the reflection in the mirror and line it up with the needle itself. That makes sure we're looking straight on and we don't have any problem with parallax. We're going to set the 0, and we're going to do that once a day. It doesn't have to be done every time. Once this is all set up, we're ready to read. The first thing we're going to do is blank the spec. And blanking the spec simply means taking just the reagent that we're using and basically telling the spec to ignore any light that is being absorbed by the reagent itself. You always want to wipe off the tube every time before you put it in case there's fingerprints. Remember, the spec measures stuff, not hemoglobin. So fingerprints are stuff, and we don't want to artificially change our patient's results because we have fingerprints. We're going to put the blank in, close the lid. We're going to use the right hand knob, and again making sure that we line up the needle with its reflection in the mirror. We're going to set the 100%. And we're going to do this between each read that we do. Once we have that done, we can remove the blank, take our patient, again wipe it off just to make sure there's nothing on the outside. We're going to put our patient in here, close the lid, and simply look at this, line the reflection with the needle up and read the percent T, which in this case is about 44. We're going to record that result, and then we'll read off the chart what the value is.